This video does not replace the user manual, so please read this before fitting. Within the box, you will find the spigot and the Kimco strengthening pack, which includes 2 metal plates and 2 M8 bolts. If your scooter is a Kimco, please see the How to Fit the Kimco Seat Strengthening Pack video. There is also a standard fixing pack You will also find the cover and the frame. First, loosen the M8 nuts on the spigot and remove the M6 bolt. Then slide it into the frame. Pop the M6 bolt in, but don't tighten at this point. Next, tighten up the M8 nut on the spigot then secure the M6 nut and bolt. Next, take the frame and slide it into the accessory bar on the underneath of the seat. Now take an M8 or M10 bolt and insert it onto the nut. Then locate the bolts to secure the arms. They may be on the actual armrest or screwed directly into the seat. Now release the quick release clamps to loosen the telescopic arms. These can be orientated or swapped sides in a way which suits the scooter's design. Secure the arm through one of the holes using either the existing bolts or those provided in the standard fixing pack. Ensure these are fastened tightly. Next, we must ensure that the frame is level. This can be done by loosening the Allen bolts on the arms with a 4mm Allen key and sliding them up or down, but ensure these are tight before continuing. Now push the frame towards the back of the scooter and tighten the quick release clamps. Now the frame can be lifted out and the cover placed on top. Open the cover out and loosely fit on top. Correct placement when securing the Velcro around the screen. Fix the Velcro onto the screen so that the opening is square and there are no gaps. You will have to unzip one side to access the bottom strip. Now, undo one door to secure the Velcro straps onto the frame and do these up tightly. Ensure that there is a strap above and below the telescopic arms. Your canopy is now ready for use. Please see the How to Use the Canopy video next.